Episode 3 of Pathways to English is brought to you by David Robin Faldmo, Allison Rumler, Maddie Eggett, and supporters like you. For more information, go to www.pathwaystoenglish.org.
Hi! Today we're in the math room and we're going to be learning how to count. Our learning target today is we are learning to count. Everybody say that with me. We are learning to count. Alright, so I'm going to count using my fingers and I want you to repeat after me each number. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are so many things that you guys can count. In fact, I have some shapes here. Can you guys help me count them? So what shape is this? It's a circle. And how many circles are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 circles. We got some more shapes to count. But first, what shape is this? It's a triangle. Let's count the triangles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 triangles. We have 5 triangles. Can everybody say, we have 5 triangles? Great job, but we got some more shapes to count. What shape is this? It's a square. Now let's see how many squares we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 squares. Everybody say, we have 9 squares. I got a lot of shapes in a lot of different colors too. But I want to know how many red shapes I have. Can you guys count with me how many red shapes we have? We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 red shapes. Can everybody say, we have 3 red shapes? Great job. Now, I kind of want to know how many blue shapes I have. So in that same picture, how many blue shapes do I have? Count with me. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 blue shapes. Great job counting. Now, after the lesson, be sure to keep practicing counting. And that's it for math today. Let's zoom outside and see what we're learning in science. We're back outside in science. And last time we were out here, we learned about our 5 senses. Our eyes, our ears, our mouth, our nose, and our hands, and what they each do. We used our eyes to see, our ears to hear, our mouth to taste, our nose to smell, and our hands to feel. And today, we're gonna be learning more about our hands. And to do that, we're gonna be doing something very fun. We're gonna be making slime. Our learning target today is we are learning about our hands. Can everybody say, we are learning about our hands?
We are learning about our hands.
All right, so let's get started. These are our hands. Can everybody show me their hands and say, these are my hands?
These are my hands.
What are these little things at the end of our hands? There are fingers. Can everybody say, these are my fingers?
These are my fingers.
And finally, how many fingers do we have? Using our counting skills from earlier, count how many fingers you have. That's right, we have 10 fingers. Everyone say, we have 10 fingers.
We have 10 fingers.
So remember, we use our hands to feel things. And when we're making the slime, we'll be using our hands to touch and feel the slime. Up first, we have this bowl. And this bowl feels smooth. Can everybody say, the bowl feels smooth? Now the very first thing we need to make our slime is we need glue. But the glue won't come out. Do I tap it out? Do I slap the bottom to get it out? Oh, I need to twist the lid off. And have you guys ever felt glue before? It's really, really sticky. Can you guys say the glue feels sticky? All right, now let's add the glue to our slime. We need all the glue. Wow. Now that we got the glue, we need to add some baking soda. So we're gonna pour in a little bit of baking soda. And that ought to do it. The next thing we need is some food coloring to pick what color we're gonna have it. And I'm wearing a blue shirt today, so I think we're gonna make our slime blue. All right, gotta twist the lid off, and then we pour in the food coloring. All right, we're ready to make our slime. Now, before we can make our slime, I have these cotton balls. And how do you guys think the cotton ball feels? It feels soft. The cotton ball feels soft. Can you guys say the cotton ball feels soft?
The cotton ball feels soft.
Now, I'm thinking about mixing my slime with a cotton ball. Is that a good idea? No, I shouldn't mix my slime with a cotton ball. I should use my hands. All right, so here's our slime so far. Now it's time to mix it with our hands. Let's go. So the slime and the glue feel really, really sticky and gross, but we know it's gonna be really fun once we're finished. And there we have it. That's our slime so far. Now, this slime is way too sticky, and my hands are too dirty to get the secret ingredient. So we're gonna need some help from Abby. Abby, can you come bring the secret ingredient?
Here I am. I have the secret ingredient to make this slime not so sticky, but more slimy and stretchy. So we have this special solution called contact solution. And I'm just going to pour a little in, just a little at a time. Now why don't you go mix that up, Nathan, and see if it gets a little more slimy.
It's already starting to do it.
He's gonna keep mixing it. We're gonna add a little bit more. Do you think?
Yeah, let's put a little more in there. Let's do it.
Let's see if it makes it a little more slimy.
Let's see if we can pick up some more of the slime that we made. I think that's pretty good.
Look at it. When you stretch it,
it's stretchy.
It's stretchy and do you feel like it's still pretty sticky or more slimy?
I feel like it's pretty slimy. And there you have it. We made our first Pathways to English slime. And we learned a lot of the different ways our hands can feel.
Awesome job, you guys. I'm gonna go. Why don't you wrap it up?
Will do. Well, there you have it. We started with sticky glue and a soft cotton ball, and now we got some slimy and stretchy slime. Thank you guys so much. You guys did a great job learning how to count and learning more about our hands. And we hope to see you guys again on Pathways to English.